and share my screen. Okay, fine. So yeah, uh, so, fine. So I would assume that some of you would know what is data warehouse and what do we perform there, and some of you may be very new to this environment, right? And very new to the reporting also. So I will assume that. Fine. Let's begin our demo. So people who knows Tableau, who knows what is reporting tools, right? So they would know much of many of these things. So what we are going to do here in this demo, right? We'll show you what is Tableau, right? And what we are going to learn during our course, this entire training session, right? And yeah, and what we are offering from TechNest Academy. So we'll just discuss these things. Okay? And if you have any question in between, you may ask your question.
Can you turn that water off?
Okay, can you please mute yourself? Okay, I will mute all. So whoever is uh, whoever wants to say something, right, you can unmute yourself. Right.
What is the duration for this course? Means how long it
This course will be around 20 to 24 hours course, and we'll discuss this. Okay. First, we'll see like okay, a small demo what we have just right, and what is this tool for all those people who are very new to this area, right? And then we'll discuss the course duration and all these things. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So yeah, now we'll see this tool like Tableau tool. We have many tools in the market. So why we are learning this Tableau tool? Uh, what this tool will do for us, right? We'll see a small demo like the capabilities of Tableau. This just some of these and how we can create you know the dashboard and all. So we'll see that. And the system requirement for Tableau, once you start working on this, and the outcome of this course post completion, what you will get. So we'll see all of these things in this, demo. Okay. Now, Tableau, as like the other, we have many tools in the market, and Tableau for this analytics, right? Here, Tableau is a trusted leader, and once it was the topmost analytics tool, right? Now it has gone to second position, and in the market, right? And now Tableau is from Salesforce. This is a visualization tool from where we will be using. We'll be able to create the dashboards and easy to. It has a lot of tools to create visualizations, right? User-friendly features are available in this tool where you just need to drag and drop to create your visualizations, to create data connectivities, to get the functionalities, whatever analysis you want to do. You can create all of these visualizations very easily in Tableau, right? And that we will see how you are going to create and what kind of visualizations you will be able to create. Right? Why we are going to create the visualizations? If you are, trying to learn this tool, so you may already know that we are going to analyze our data, whatever we are creating through our business for years, right? We will be analyzing that data, and so Tableau will help, right, organizations or people to make data-driven decision based on the data we have accumulated over the years, right? And through the visualizations, the easy-to-use capabilities, and even the users itself, they will be able to create their own visualizations using the data. In the market, it is very highly paid, right, tool, and it's in demand. Yeah, it's a very good tool. So we have the capabilities like interactive visualizations we can create. We this We have the self-service business capabilities, right? And users can create reports and dashboard themselves. We can get better insight and very in quick time or turnaround time, right? You don't have to there are many tools in the market, so this tool you can use it easily, right? So we can also perform the exploratory data analysis for machine learning or data science activities, right? So in data science, what we do advanced analytics through data science, right? So in that case, we have to also understand our data first before we apply the machine learning modeling. So before we just perform the exploratory data analysis to check the distribution of the data and all those things. So we can use even Tableau in that case, right? Apart from the Python. So we have in Tableau, right? We have few version of Tableau components, like we have desktop-based interface to create the Tableau visualizations, to create the dashboard, and we have also cloud-based BI services where we can share our solution with other users, with the customers, right, with their peers to work on. So we can apply security and all those things. So we have cloud-based BI services as well as the desktop-based tool, okay, where we can create our visualizations, we can create our the dashboard. Right. Now, we have also offers robust and easy to data modeling capabilities. Here in Tableau, we have the data modeling capabilities, but we don't have the data cleaning capabilities. In the same tool, we can use Tableau Prep Builder for that, right? So what we are, and as part of the capability, we can connect to many different sources through Tableau. We can get data from many different sources. We can instantly share the reports, right, using the cloud-based BI services. Then this is powerful, and performance is very good, right? We have the drill down functionality easily created there in Tableau, right? So security is provided, and then we are supporting advanced data services. Then yeah, we can schedule and refresh our data, right, here in using the Tableau tool, right? Then how where it stands in the market, right? As I was telling that once it was a leader, once it was at the top, now it has come to the second spot in the market. So in the leaders quadrant, you can see the Gartner's report, right? Here, Microsoft Power BI is at the top, and then we have the Tableau at the second position. But it doesn't mean that this is less important, right? Both of these are very, very popular in the market, right? And Tableau is one of the very famous tool among the data scientists, right? They are using this Tableau tool, for doing all the exploratory data analysis mostly, right? So yeah, till now we are just seeing what is Tableau, right? Or what features it has, right? What you can do with Tableau. So whatever reports you may be building, or whatever charts you may be building using the Excel, you may be getting the data through SQL, right? So you can get connected to all of those data and get your visualizations created, your dashboard created using Tableau also. right? And easily you will be able to handle all of those. You can create your analysis using Tableau. Till now, do you have any question?
What is it? Another chart, Salesforce Tableau. Is it same as Tableau or it is different?
What is?
Salesforce Tableau in the another chart.
Yeah, this is same. Salesforce Tableau is same.
Okay. One more thing,
This
as you have
again, now Tableau is under Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce is again it has their own tools, right? But Tableau is also one of the tool from Salesforce.
okay, as you told that Tableau is not having the cleaning facility. So if we want to make it clean, then how people do it?
Okay, you can do either you can use the third party tools or you can use the Tableau Prep Builder, right? There you can clean the data and all these things, or you can use Alteryx or any other tool, right, to do the cleaning
It's
activity.
like Power BI. There is no inbuilt function.
Yeah, in Power BI, you have the in-house, the tool itself inside the Power BI. That's why I think for that reason also Power BI is, becoming very popular that everything is together there in the same tool. Right? Here, we have, great visualizations in using Tableau. We can create, uh, so many good visualizations and great visualizations we will be able to create. Only thing is this cleaning activities we don't have inside Tableau, inside the same tool, right? We have a separate tool called Tableau Prep Builder, or you can even use the third-party tools. As I was saying, that you have the virtualization tool, you have the Alteryx or ETL tools or some other tools to do the activity, same activity, right? So that can be taken care in database side or in ETL side or in the using some other tools. You'll be able to do that. Okay.
In this training, are we also going to cover all tracks or some ATL or
No,
only
no,
with
no, no,
guide?
no. No, only you should expect from this course, you should expect only the development part of the Tableau, not also the admin part.
Cleaning part would not be covered.
Yeah. No, that is not covered here in this course. Yeah. So yeah, so cleaning part again, right? Cleaning activities and all these things, you have to again use the Tableau, either Tableau Prep Builder, or you can use third party, any third party tool, right? Or you can also clean the data in database also. If you, yeah, you can do even there. So you have many other tools to do these activities, right? But it is not within the Tableau, right? The same tool, same Tableau desktop. Right? So that's what compared to the Power BI. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
So now, what we'll be doing here in this, course, right? We will start from the very basic, from connecting the data, right? And we have some cleaning, very basic cleaning activities, right? Data type changes and all these things, right? Or some, changes in data, little bit changes in data. So we will be performing those kind of activities here in Tableau, and so we'll be, covering from very scratch, from getting data, doing creating the model, right? And from that, we'll start and till advanced level, uh, or till creation of the, dashboard. We'll see all of these things, right? One by one, every point will be discussed, right, in this course. And addition to that, we will also, have the sessions on the matplot library and seaborn visualizations, right, using Python packages. Right. So these two packages will also cover in this course, right? And we already will be having a very a small size of the batch, so you can also ask your question. Suppose if some questions are not answered, those will be also answered in later sessions, right? So there will be, it will be always interactive. So you can always ask your question, and we'll be having our group. So you can always put your questions. We will be trying to answer this. Every will also share assignment to create your project or to create to do the activities we will be having. Here, we will be using the data, right? Mostly the files data, right? And we'll also see how we can connect to the database. So we'll just learn how we can connect as like Power BI or any other in-memory tool. So Tableau will be having two mode of connecting to data. One is importing the data into the Tableau, right? Tableau memory itself, right? Repository and all. And another thing is live data connection. So we will use the Tableau import mode connectivity, and through where we can get most of the functionalities we can cover here, right? So yeah, we'll see here the sample data provided by Tableau, right, for doing visualization to learn, right? So that also will use some other data, right? Some bank data or some other data, right, to do our activities. Fine. Yeah. And how does Tableau looks, right? What we can create in Tableau, right? We can create the reports like this. We can do the filtering. We can apply the filter. So everything we have in other tools, right? Also available in the Tableau. And what is it different from other tools? Here you will be able to create these things easily, and but you can also create the visualizations and all other things. Very advanced visualizations you will be able to create using Tableau. Right? The interactivity options and all these things. Right here you have very good capabilities in case of Tableau. So you can also connect to interactivity between the sites, websites, and the other visuals, right? You will be able to also directly connect it to that, right? So yeah, let's see the small projects we have in Tableau, right? What we are going to do here. Let's see that. So here you can see that we have some dashboard created, and you will be able to create all of such dashboard using after you complete the course, right? So these simple dashboards you will be creating the the worksheets, then we'll be creating the dashboards in as part of the class assignments and all, and through the class hands-on, that we'll be creating all of this. We'll be creating this interactivity. We'll be seeing the parameters. We'll be creating the parameters, and all of these things through different these different parameters we have, and these filters we have created, right? So all of these we will create using during this course. Fine. We'll do this. And apart from that, yeah, we have we'll be creating all the advanced chart on or if you have also any other charts you want to create which are not covered during the course, we'll be also taking that, those requests also even. Right. And then what do we have in this course that, okay, these kind of visualizations you'll be creating, right? And all of this you will be able to create after the completion of this course. And what do we have in this course? We will be covering all of these contents during this course. Right? And that we'll be covering the how you can connect to different data, data sources, and the visualizations, different visualizations, the joins, right? How you can create the joins between tables, right? Or modeling your data. Then we have the blending of data. We will be creating maps and then different tables, visualizations. So these calculated fields, which is similar like the DAX in Power BI, right? So uh, these are very important here in this Tableau. Tableau calculation, calculated fields, computing engine. Then we have the LOD expression. So these are there again in Power BI. This comes under. the text, right? Here we are having all these things like Tableau, calculated fields, LOD expressions. So all of these will be covered in this course. And apart from that, we will have all the different charts created. Right? All of these graphs and dashboards, parameters, yeah, filters, we'll learn all of these different things. And dashboard design theory. So these advanced level activities for data scientists, right? Where we do the data exploratory analysis using the uh, statistical tools, right? So there we will also learn these things. And then the Python visualizations, we have Matplotlib library and C1 library. So all of these things will be covered in this course. Do you have any question?
No, no question so far.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah, so these will be the course content, right? Then, if the people who will be interested, who are interested in this course, right, they can, we'll start our session from tomorrow, right? Uh, we'll have our session from tomorrow, started from tomorrow. Then you will be, using either you can use the Tableau Public or you can use the Tableau Desktop if you have license, right? Or if you are a student, you can get license for 1 year, right? You can get a license for 1 year, or either or you can use the Tableau Public. So in Tableau Public, you have some limitations, right? Where you will not be able to save these visualizations into your desktop, right? Using Tableau Desktop, you will be able to save it everywhere, and you have all the different capabilities, whatever all the capabilities for the from the whatever you are getting from the license versions, right? So yeah, uh, here we have only 1 year license. So you will be able to save your files in your local machine and also get data from different sources. You can connect data to different data sources. But in Tableau Public, you will not have all the capabilities. This is limited to files. Connection is limited to files. Right? Is there a web version of Tableau as well? Yeah, there is a web version of Tableau as well. Okay. Uh,
For
fine.
practice, which tab we are going to install?
No, so these see all of these will do the same work. Only depends on the license. Uh, this is the most advanced thing, right? Here, Tableau Desktop, you will use to create your solution, right? Then you will move this solution to the online, to the Tableau server, right? To the cloud. And if you are not buying or if you are not having the license for Tableau Desktop, then you can use the Tableau Public, which will have limited, options. Not it will have all the options, but in terms of saving the data, it is for learners only. Okay, it is for learners only. So in terms of connectivity, in terms of saving your data, it is have limited options. Okay, but you can get the Tableau Desktop, which has all the features from Tableau, and you can connect to all the different sources, right? All the capabilities you can use, everything is available in Tableau Desktop. Then you have the Tableau reader where you cannot create, right? You can just read the Tableau visualizations and all this dashboard and all, right? Then you have the Tableau server, right? Where we will be securely, placing our all the solutions, right? Organizations will be able to see their data, and it is using a secure server, so they will be able to have their data secured, right? Tableau server. So yeah, these are all different versions of that. So when to use what, we are as a learner, right? Either we can use the we'll be using the Tableau Desktop, or you can use the Tableau Public. So these two files, these two we'll be able to use. Okay, as a learner, if we don't want to, because this is costly tool, right? And it is not like Power BI that we get it free. So this is not even possible to use for longer time. But you, if you want, that you have a workaround, like okay, using different IDs, you can download it. Yeah, different version you can download and use it for long time. So that you will be able to do even. Or if you have some student okay, studying in engineering or the IDs you have, you can also get the license for 1 year. Using their license, or if you are a student, you can use your ID to get the license for 1 year. Okay, Tableau desktop license for 1 year. Yeah. This will be you have to download this Tableau desktop before we start our next before we before you join the classes. What is the requirement of having this Tableau desktop? So this advanced what nowadays we all have the good configuration of our laptop and all. So we should not have any issues for our laptop to install this. Right. So this is 1 GB minimum free disk space and 2 GB memory. So this Windows 10 or above, right? Yeah, most of us we have upgraded to this configuration, so there should not be any issue. Fine. Yeah. Now we just have these things from Tableau side, right? And post completion, what you are going to learn is, you are going to create the interactive dashboards and all, dashboard design concepts, learn how to calculate, right? Using creating calculations and getting insights using different visualizations, right? You using performing exploratory data analysis on your data and some, Python visualizations using the Seaborn library and yeah, Matplot library. So you will, after this course completion, you will learn all of this. You have any question? Yeah,
No, no.
please feel free to ask because before you join, right, you should understand like what you are looking for in this course and what you are going to learn. It is not like right in this 24 sessions you are going to be so much expert. It's not like that because people working in this area for 5 years, 7 years, even they struggle to create the visualization. They struggle to get a solution. So it's not like a one day work. So you will get all of the required knowledge to start your job hunting things, right? And you will get all the required knowledge to even create the advanced visualizations. Only thing is you have to practice. What I'm seeing that people okay join, but they don't practice. Even they get so much busy in other work that they don't get even time, right? So yeah, that also happens, and this is also reality that people working in the in this tool for longer time even they even may not know many of the solutions, right? So it's not like that you should know everything. Only whenever required, you will get to know everything, right? Whenever it is needed, you will know everything if you have the knowledge to use this tool, to use the visualizations, how you want to create, what you want to create, right? All these navigational things, all the interactivity things, these are easy part, right? Applying a solution using calculations, this is the tough part, fine? So you will learn the visualizations, you will learn connectivities, you will learn these things, and one of the toughest part is also like maintaining your data, right? You have different sources, right? Of data, you are connecting to new sources, so you have to also learn while you work. You have to learn, right? And those are not that tough part. Also, you will get support even from the different vendors whose tool you are, trying to connect to. So also you will get support from Tableau, right? You will get support, a lot of support from all the support people, right? So it's not like you have to know everything beforehand. You have all the support as part of your job, right? You need to know what you are going to perform, what you are going to do using Tableau, right? And you have to all the basic knowledge, all the knowledge of using this tool or for job hunting. You should also have a a project prepared that you have worked and you should relate it to your work so that you can define your work properly, right, using this tool. So yeah, you have all of these things, and I would suggest you, if you are all working, right, know your data better, because visualizations or creating BI solutions, business intelligence solutions, is not about the tool. It's all about the analysis, questions, problem statements, what we are going to solve, right? It's all about that. And how we are going to solve, that is using the tool. Right? And that is the next part. The very big thing is you have to know your data. Okay. Then you will be able to use this tool properly. Fine. Okay. You have any question?
So what would be the class timings from the session
Class timing will
starts?
be 9:15 to for 1.5 hours class will be there, right? 9:15 to 10:45 or 11.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it will be weekend, right? Saturday and Sunday, and yeah, so almost 2 hours. Morning. Yeah. Classes will be on weekend morning hours, 9:15 to 11, or it can cross 11, even 11. Uh, so yeah, it depends. So it will be around 2 hour session every day.
So we'll get assignments also.
How many total sessions will be? Yeah, these will be around 12 sessions, 12 to 14 sessions will be there, right? Totally. And yeah, assignment will be also provided. So it's like every week, right? After the session completes, 2 sessions complete, right? Every week you will get assignment. Yes.
Still, I have a confusion. It might be silly question you are going to ask me, but actually, I want to ask that on which W tool we are going to practice, because
I am not able to hear you. And I should tell you that no question is silly question, right? You should always ask the question. If you don't, even if you know, you should ask it for proper understanding. And that's what we are doing as an analyst, right? Whenever we have some data or some requirement, even if you know, even if you understand, you get it confirmed second time, right? So it happens like that. And no question is silly question. Please, yeah. I could not hear you
okay.
properly.
Now I'm audible.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to ask that again the same question, that which W part we are going to use for the practice. Means you have given the choice of two Tableau desktop and the Tableau for beginner,
So
right?
yeah, you can see we can use Tableau, desktop. I would suggest you to get Tableau desktop, because you have all the features, full features in Tableau desktop, right?
But as
So
we are not having any student ID, and of course I'm not a student, so how could I be able to?
So you can do it. So 28 days, right? We'll be having around 28 hour session or 24 hour session, right? So what you can do, even you can get a trial version, three trial versions, and it will be covered, right? So you can create new IDs. You can get it done.
Okay. So you will let us know now that how to means
Yeah.
apply.
So how you can do it, right? You can go directly to, now you can just go to Tableau, right? Here you have the Tableau version, right? You can download it from Tableau, this tableau.com, go to tableau.com and go to products, right? Tableau desktop. Here you have the Tableau desktop. Just click on this, right? You will be able to download it. Start a free trial, right? So you can get it downloaded. Okay. From here, and it is a .exe file. So just double click and it will be installed. So it will ask your IDs, it will ask your login details and all these things, right? So you can just provide any of your email ID, and you get it signed up.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. And someone is asking, right, how to use web version of Tableau. Right. So you don't need to use web person. You have to you can go to use the Tableau public, right? And you will be able to also do some work on the web. So yeah, we'll also see how you can. I don't use personally the web person or something like that, right? We can I will not also cover the Tableau in cloud. We'll see these activities like how we can publish to cloud, right? All of these things we'll see, and but we will not cover from anything from the Tableau cloud, right? Yeah. Uh, for the Tableau developer, it's always you have to use the Tableau desktop. It is always it will be available with you. And for any tool, right? Every tool, as a developer's tool, it will be always desktop tool, right? So that it is easy to get your work done. So that's why we have in Power BI also Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop. We have for other tools also the similar things. Yeah. Okay. So if you
Tomorrow are
have
we going to meet at the same time, 9:15, right?
what am I going to do?
Means we are going to meet at the same time on tomorrow, 9:15.
Yes. Nine. We are going to meet at 9:15, starting on 9:15, and we'll complete this course. Right, we'll have 2 hours course around. Right, in between 5 minutes break we'll have. So within these 2 hours, and then we'll have this course till 10:45 or 11, or even it can cross 11 at some time. Yeah. Uh, So if you have any more question, you can ask, or we can wrap up this session here. And people who are interested to join this can contact Firdaus, right, for registration to this course. And yeah, we'll meet tomorrow. Any question you may have, you can even ask now also, right? Or we can close this. We can wrap up this session here. Yeah.
Fine.
Okay, how to enroll? So, in the group, right, Firdaus will give you the detail. So, the payment detail and all. Once it is done, so she will add you in the group, right? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so that's all we have for today's session, and we will see from tomorrow, right? We'll work on this, uh, starting from the very first thing, right? Connecting to data. So I will ask you to download the Tableau desktop today, or even tomorrow morning. You can do it, right? Because you have 14-day trial license, right? So you can download it tomorrow morning and install it. Right? I will provide the data, or the data is also available in Tableau, the sample data, and we have also more data which we will work on. Right? So yeah, and whatever data we'll be working on, I will provide you that data. Yeah. So yeah, that's all I have, and thank you. We can connect tomorrow. Whoever is enrolling, we will meet tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.